This property is waterfront. You border Pierce Brook for 175 feet. Hello, I'm Main Realtor Andy Mooers. This is a new listing, 13 Green Street. Quick facts, fireplace. You have handicap wheelchair ramps. You have all the grab bars. It's definitely handicap friendly. In the last 8 years, new vinyl siding, new metal roof, new replacement windows. It's heated by an oil hot water furnace with a Boilermate, and that's modern too. 3 bedrooms, 4 blocks from the South Side School, 2 blocks from the downtown for shopping. This is a neat property with a big lot and it's waterfront. You and I are at Lucky 13 Green Street. See the little gambrel shed in the background? This one has a quick occupancy. And you can always hear the water. The wheelchair ramp is a real perk. It also has a canopy over it. There's also a deck that's very private. The appliances stay with the property. This home comes with a quick occupancy. Need to get in before the snow flies? You can have a formal dining room up on the other end, or a home office. There's room to put a table or an island in this kitchen. The bathroom is ceramic. That's real tile. Everything is on one floor. Southern exposure sun in your living room. And I really like those 2 windows in the corner. That puts a lot of light, but it frees up wall space too. You could slide a little pellet stove insert in this chimney. Do you need 3 bedrooms? Use one as an office. This one overlooks the stream. It has new windows. That room with the blue rug could be a formal dining room because there's a china closet in place. Bedroom 2. This home has all kinds of plug-ins. Coming out of that back bedroom, you pass the bathroom. This would be bedroom number 3. It too was built with the corner window arrangement. Let's trot down the stairs to show you the basement. See the insulated walls? This one is banked for the winter from the inside. See the thermostat? There's a zone for heat down here too. A previous owner used to use this downstairs for a living space. Here's your Pinzotti boiler. These little guys are highly efficient. It has a Boilermate for domestic water. See your circuit breakers? Even the casement windows with the new vinyl insulated kind. That's your home, 13 Green Street. I'm Main Realtor Andy Mooers. Thank you very much for watching the Main Real Estate channel. The lot's bigger than most, 0.55 acre. And don't forget, you have some frontage on Pierce Stream. It is 175 feet of it.